This is the DJI Neo. Here are 3 reasons why the DJI Neo is the perfect drone for beginners. Number 1. Affordability. The DJI Neo is budget-friendly and designed for beginners. Its price starts at $199, allowing new pilots to explore drone flying without breaking the bank. Number 2. Compact and lightweight. At only 135 grams, you can capture cinematic 4K videos on the go. It is super easy to operate, take off and land on your palm anytime, even in tight spaces. Number 3. Loaded with automatic features. The drone is loaded with features such as follow, circle, rocket, spotlight, helix, boomerang, and direction track. It also comes with propeller guards and extra propellers. Here is the actual footage of the DJI Neo. Let me know what you think in the comment section below.